Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to book cab in Bangalore. So let's get into the video. So you can use any cab apps or booking apps in this video. But in this video I will just use the common ones like Ola. So I'll just use Ola here. So what you're going to do, so you're going to firstly open up Ola and then log into your account. So you can just create an account. You just need your personal number, your phone number and details to create one. So it's easy, so just create one. And then once you've logged in here, so you're going to click on the search bar here, and then what you're going to do, you're going to type in where you want to pick up from. So you can just type that in, your pickup location. Okay, once that's done, and then now click on confirm location. Okay, and then you can ask, this is for your booking for yourself, click on myself, and then here your destination. So now click on search destination, and then wherever you want to drop it off, just type that in. So I'll just use a random address, so that's fine. And then now this will generate all the different types of cabs available for you and with their rates. So you can just choose one that best suits you, and then here you will have this payment option here. So click on payment, and then what you're going to do, you can choose whatever payment that best suits you. So for example, I'll just use cash, so I'm going to click on cash, click on confirm. So I'm going to use cash, and then now all I have to do is simply select an cab. So this is fine for me, hit on done, and then click on book prime plus. So this is now what happens, it will now look for a driver. Okay, so once someone picks up, just one sec, let me cancel this because I don't want to really book one. So I'm just going to use it for demo. So that's it. So when you can, so this will, once you click on book, so it will look for a driver, and when someone picks up the trip, and that's it. You just have to wait for your trip, and then once you have cab arrived, and once you have completed your trip, all you have to do is just pay them with the cash, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy to use. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.